Distracted driving is one of the leading causes of accidents in Singapore, and the mobile phone is often the biggest culprit. Shockingly, there is a myth that using your phone at low speeds is alright. According to the 2023 Road Traffic Report by the Singapore Police Force, injury-related accidents rose from 6,779 in 2022 to 6,944 in 2023, largely due to motorists failing to stay alert. As a road safety advocate, road safety is of paramount importance, and today I want to put this myth to rest. Is looking at your mobile devices or GPS while traveling at a low speed even safe? And I know just the right person to call. And with the Hyundai Tucson, making a call is just a click away. Route me to Comfort Delgro Driving Centre, Ubi. Andy has trained hundreds of drivers over the years. He will be the best person to ask if it is indeed safe to use your mobile devices while driving at slow speeds. Hey Andy!
Hey!
Thanks for agreeing to meet me.
Yes.
Wow, what an impressive setup. So, how are we going to do this?
We're going to simulate two scenarios later.
Okay.
One is you are full alert when you're driving ahead.
Okay.
Concentrate on the road.
Right.
The other one, you'll be distracted or you'll be receiving a call,
Okay.
which you will attend to when you're driving later.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to do it in such a way at a speed of about 30 kilometers per hour.
30.
And there will be a dummy thrown forward later.
Okay,
So
okay.
you need to react as fast as you can. What we want is from the reaction when you see the danger until you brake and stop the vehicle.
Okay.
We need to know the stopping distance.
Okay, so I won't get in trouble for
You won't
using
get in
mobile
trouble,
device
yes.
on... Okay.
Again.
Well, I think I'm ready.
You're ready, yeah?
Are you ready?
We're always ready. Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. The total stopping distance will be 167 cm away from the stopping point. Okay, the stopping distance will be 181 centimeters from the stopping point. This difference can be a matter of life and death.
Andy, well, I
Yeah.
guess myth busted.
But if you drive using your phone, you get distracted
Right.
very easily. We want you to focus. You may be looking forward,
Right.
but your brain isn't there.
What's a good tip that you can give us so that we could be better and safer drivers?
First thing first, once you're inside the car, advisable to silence your phone. If there's switch off the phone.
That's a brilliant idea. So switch off your phone, turn it off to silent,
Yes,
safer driver.
safer drive.
Fantastic. Andy, thank you so
Thank you.
much for your time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Drive
Bye.
safely.
The one thing I wish more drivers would understand about road safety is that it is of paramount importance. So here's a quick tip. Keep your mobile devices in your pocket, in your backpack, somewhere not easily within reach while you're driving. And with the smart technologies available in the Hyundai Tucson, that allows technology to work for you and work with you, giving you a safer ride. You could change music at the click of a button. If you receive a call, you can simply pick it up with this simple button instead of taking attention away from the roads. Going for a long drive? With Hyundai's active lane keep assist system, you could get there comfortably and safely. Forgot to plan your trip? Hyundai's voice control navigation gets you there hands-free at the push of a button. The Hyundai Tucson isn't just a car to get you from point A to point B. It's about driving smarter with the tech that's built around you.